In this video, I'm going to be cooking this particular meal. X is equal to what? This is the meal I'm going to be cooking. I'm going to be cooking this dish. So please stay tuned to how it is being done in my kitchen. So X equals what is what we are going to be cooking. Now, I'm going to show you the ingredients we are going to be using in cooking this meal, starting with these, okay? So I'm going to be using this particular ingredient we call in mathematics the linear equation. It is called the linear equation just in case you don't know, because there are two parts to the equal to sign. There are two parts of the equal to sign. One part, the left-hand side, has 2x plus 5 called the linear expression, and this part, the right-hand side, has a constant. So I'm going to be using this to cook the meal called X. So now the second ingredient I'm going to be needing along the line in my cooking process is this. Okay, so I'm going to be needing 2 minus 5s in the process of cooking my meal. So please take note of that. Along the line, you're going to be seeing me use this. So next and finally will be along the line using the ingredient 2 and 2. So I'm going to be needing 2 of it. So please stay tuned as I cook. So please, if this is your first time watching any of my videos on my YouTube channel, GER Hub, please subscribe to the channel, click the like button, and endeavor to share the video. And please do well to follow me on my pages on Facebook, GER Hub Edutainment, and the other video in the description below. So join me in cooking the meal called X from this ingredient called the linear equation. Stay tuned. So the first thing I'm going to do in cooking my meal is to put in my first ingredient, the left-hand side of the linear equation, 2x plus 5. And to that left-hand side, I'm going to add this ingredient minus 5. Okay? Now let that cook for a while. Now, after cooking for a while, let's see what comes up on the left-hand side. Now, after some minutes, when you stir, you'll find that the result to the left-hand side is 2x. So we now go over to the right-hand side. So to the right-hand side, I'm going to put 4 and then add minus 5, okay? And let it cook for a minute. And let's see what comes out. So the result of cooking that will give us minus 1 on the right-hand side. So let's go further. But at this point in time, our result, the meal we are cooking, is supposed to give us X, but what we have is 2X. We don't want to cook a meal with too much of X in it. So what we want is X, not 2X. So we cook further. So at this point, let's see what's cooking. At this point, what we have is 2x minus 1. This is not x, so we have to cook further. So what do we do? At this point, I'm going to be adding 2 ingredients to the left-hand side and to the right-hand side to see what comes up next. So let's go. So now, to the left-hand side of the new equation I have, I'm going to divide by 2. So I'm putting the ingredient 2 to divide the ingredient 2x on the left-hand side. And let's cook for a while. So the result of cooking the left-hand side of the new equation by dividing it by 2 gives us x. And we have to be certain that the result we have is x. So we are going to check the left-hand side or the right-hand side and divide it by 2 also. So let's do that. So now let's cook the other side of the equation, that is the right-hand side of the equation, by dividing minus 1 by 2. So I'm going to put that in and cook for a while. Something is smelling yummy in my kitchen. So now that we've put everything in place, let's now see the result of our meal. Okay, so what we've been cooking is X. Let's see the result. Okay, you can feel the aroma coming out from my pot. This is X equals minus 1 over 2. So it means the result of simplifying or solving for X, 2x plus 5 equals 4, gives X equals minus 1 over 2. So this is the meal. Thank you very much for watching. Please do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel, GER Hub on YouTube, and also follow us on our pages, Genesis Educational Research Hub and also GER Hub Edutainment. Until some other time when I'll be cooking a different meal, please stay fixed on our channel. Thank you very much.